2011 Groundhog Day. Let's see if Daisy sees her shadow. I don't think she can quite make it to her fence today. See where she goes. Come on, girl. Go to the fence.
Daisy, to the yard. To the yard.
Yard.
That's not the way to the yard.
Yes, it is.
I don't know if you can tell how much snow is there. Anna, you want to go get in a snow plane so we can see how much snow is there? Can you go? Here's Thomas.
Somehow getting this thing on. There's somehow putting this thing on.
You want to show me your snow angel?
Daisy, to the yard.
Anna, oh! Daddy's gonna have a sore back as he attempts to shovel us out of this. Schools have been closed. Work, not an option. Sledding is a definite possibility. You do have a big snow angel there, Thomas. Daisy's trek continues, trying to figure out how she will make it to the bathroom. What will she do? What will she do? Okay, this is officially a blizzard. I'm just declaring that right now. 70-mile-an-hour winds. Upwards of 20 inches of snow. Only one to really make it through the day unharmed is the snowman. His hat and scarf remain intact.
Can I try to help? Yes, let me try.
She's trying to make it to her yard. She's trying to. Oh, poor Daisy. And now goes Anna to help her. Anna, I don't think she can open the door, honey. And now Daddy to the rescue. Oh, here she comes back. I think Daisy has other ideas.